2018 Jeep Cherokee plays out its hybrid errands as asked, however adores the rough terrain assignments more. With $24,395 value, the 2018 Jeep Cherokee is an unpleasant and tumble hybrid SUV that could have just originated from Jeep. Its capacity rough terrain is irrefutable, its looks and utility are. Its lacks equals in space and crash test scores, which are imperative elements for purchasers. With the Cherokee, Jeep offers an extensive variety of trim levels. It begins with Latitude and climbs to Latitude Plus, Limited, Overland, and Trailhawk equipment. A rear view camera was made standard for 2018. We give it a 5.8 out of 10. The Cherokee spoke to a total separation from Jeep's past when it was new in 2014. Its strangely layered front end, thin slatted grille and tasteless hybrid backside should foresee Jeeps without bounds, yet then came Renegade, and Compass. The Cherokee's WAN styling is a major flaw, yet the Lodge gets additional acknowledgement for its conveniently sorted out space and heap cunning contacts, and in addition stunning hues and surfaces. The Cherokee draws control from either a 184 drive inline-4 or a 271 horsepower V6. The 4 barrels fine for suburbanites, gave there aren't an excessive number of them on board. The torquey V6 implies even with more travelers an accessible all-wheel drive, lively interstate passes are never in excess of an apparatus or two away. All things considered, the Cherokee's 9-speed programs some of the time judders through movements, and doesn't give coordinate control over apparatus changes. Furnished with accessible tow bundles, the Cherokee can pull up to 4,500 pounds. It handles with the anticipated disposition of a hybrid. It controls unfeelingly however rapidly, and the all-around tride doesn't endure on even the huge 18-inch wheels. Gas mileage waits in the low 20 miles per gallon run with all-wheel drive, extraordinarily lower than a portion of its competition. No rival can guarantee the rough terrain capacity of the Cherokee Trailhawk, however. With knobbier tires, more ground leeway, driver-selectable footing programs, and a recreated low range, the Trailhawk